Migrating to Google Analytics tracking code is a crucial step for any website looking to enhance its online presence and gain valuable insights into user behavior. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to ensure a seamless transition. First, it is essential to understand the importance of Google Analytics and its tracking code. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps website owners track and analyze user behavior, providing valuable insights into page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates. The tracking code is a small snippet of code that is placed on your website, allowing Google Analytics to collect data and provide accurate reports. To migrate to Google Analytics tracking code, start by creating a Google Analytics account and setting up a new property. This will provide you with a unique tracking ID, which is required to install the tracking code on your website. Next, choose the type of tracking code you want to install, either the Universal Analytics tracking code or the Google Analytics 4 tracking code. The Universal Analytics tracking code is the traditional method of tracking, while the Google Analytics 4 tracking code is the latest version, providing more advanced features and better data collection. Once you have chosen your tracking code, you can install it on your website by copying and pasting the code snippet into the header or footer of your website's HTML. It is crucial to test your tracking code to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by using the Google Analytics Debugger or the Tag Assistant extension. These tools will help you verify that the tracking code is sending data to Google Analytics and that it is configured correctly. Best practices for migrating to Google Analytics tracking code include ensuring that you have a clear understanding of your website's structure and content, as well as the types of data you want to collect. It is also essential to set up goals and events to track specific user interactions, such as form submissions or button clicks. Additionally, it is recommended to use a tag management system, such as Google Tag Manager, to manage your tracking code and other website tags. This will provide you with more flexibility and control over your tracking code, making it easier to make changes and updates. In conclusion, migrating to Google Analytics tracking code is a straightforward process that requires careful planning and execution. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a seamless transition and start gaining valuable insights into your website's user behavior. Remember to test your tracking code thoroughly and use a tag management system to manage your website tags. With Google Analytics, you can unlock the full potential of your website and make data-driven decisions to drive business growth.